his hands. I thought he was taking a shower.
Oh. Where are you gonna put that one?
Right here.
That's a good spot.
And then I'm gonna... Where's the decorations?
I put them on the floor for you to get out easily.
Mommy, I want them in the baggie.
Well, I threw the bag away because it was a little sticky. Okay, so
But...
we'll just put it in a Ziploc bag when we take it down.
But... On the Ziploc bag.
You want a Ziploc bag? Okay, you just take them off the ground.
I don't want them... Because I don't want them on the ground.
Well, you're gonna put them on the tree.
Well,
Just put them on the tree.
Okay.
Okay.
And that'll make them. I'm going to right here. And then you're going to put this one right on the bottom right there.
Okay. You gonna do that the last thing? Okay.
Mommy, I want you to do this.
Right now, or you want me to do that last?
This last right on the spot.
All right, I'll do that after you put up all the ornaments.
Okay,
Okay.
the ornaments?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at these.
Whoa, that's cool.
I'm going to put it right here on the bottom and the bottom.
You did a good job, Ella.
You want to help me?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, it's help me.
Okay.
Want to help?